How to change the background wallpaper for the home screen only on the iPhone 16 series. First, swipe up at the bottom to return back to your home screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Next in Wallpaper, make sure you are on the current wallpaper set. Then tap on the right panel. The right panel here is for the home screen and the one on the left is for the lock screen. So tap on Customize button. Then at the bottom here, you can change the wallpaper to a plain color, to a gradient color. So tap on this button here, gradient, to select a color gradient. So here you can use the slider bar at the bottom to change the gradient color. And you can also select a different color at the top. Tapping on that color circle will allow you to open up a colors selector. In this color picker, you can use grid, spectrum, or slider to create your own custom color. Okay, so after that, we close the pop-up box. If you want to select your own pictures from the photos gallery, tap on photo, then tap on the add button. In here, tap on the photo icon, and from your photo library, just scroll up or down, and then from here you can choose your own photo. So for example, let's choose this one right here. And then you can swipe across to select a different color, or you can use the original color. You can also zoom in or zoom out. So zoom in, zoom out, you can move the pictures around like that. And once you're happy with the position, tap on done. And I will select that photo and then tap on the blur button if you want to blur the background, or you turn off blur by tapping on this button and then tap on done. Again, this will only change the background wallpaper for the home screen only. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.